This is a new 2014 Ford Fiesta, powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync, digital audio input, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an MP3 player, privacy glass, air conditioning, power door locks, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Oxmoor Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 100 Oxmoor Lane, Louisville, Kentucky 40222.